there and welcome. Mark Castillo here. Welcome to Mark Castillo's Freedom Breakthrough YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to share with you another episode on affiliate marketing tips with Mark Castillo. Now, before I get right into the content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a beat on the latest up-to-date information on mindset, personal development, as well as marketing tactics. This also helps support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. So recently, over the weekend, I got on the leaderboards again in a business opportunity that I'm currently a part of and actually promoting. And I was on the leaderboards for total leads generated daily. Now, it felt really good to be on the leaderboards again because it had been some time that I haven't been on the leaderboards as much as I should have been. And I wanted to share this small celebration, this small level of results with you because apparently there's something going on in the industry where there's a whole lot of people that talk about what they're going to do. They talk a big talk and they do a lot of talking, but their actions don't match their words. And because of that, because they don't take any action, that's why results don't follow. And people are quick enough to call it a scam and say that affiliate marketing doesn't work when they haven't even gone out and taken action on the things that they've learned. It doesn't help to go on training calls, hop on one training from the next to the next, and then never taking action on what you learn. Now, that was what I did in the very beginning, just hopping on a training call after training call, but I realized I wasn't really taking as much action as I could have been. And now that I'm taking what I've learned and applying it now I'm starting to see results. I'm starting to get momentum going. I'm starting to see things happen. And yeah, while I have yet to reach more milestones, and they are going to come very soon, I want to drive home this lesson to you where if you're starting to generate results in your business, no matter how small the level of results, share that with the world. Share that on your social media profiles. I learned from my mentor, Misha Wilson, that you always want to celebrate your small wins, no matter how small they are. Hell, if you made your first dollar sale online, celebrate that. You know, there's people that only want to celebrate when they hit like really huge milestones, but don't underestimate the power of celebrating those small wins that you have, because celebrating those small wins will eventually lead to the big wins. And here's another thing. You don't have to know everything up front. You don't have to know how to do everything right off the bat just to get going and producing results. I haven't been in the industry for that long of a time, and I'm already starting to see results happen. I'm already starting to see the value of staying consistent and going on right ahead and just going on out, taking action, doing what I've learned, and just measuring my results. Because that's what it's all about at the end of the day. You just gotta take action, but take action on the things that are going to get you results and do them consistently, and you will start to see momentum going and you will start to see the results follow soon afterward. So if you're struggling right now in producing results for whatever opportunity that you may be a part of, I have just the solution for you. And I want you to do me a huge favor. I want you to click on the link below this video. It'll drive you to a page. I want you to put your name and email in there so that you can get the free information on how you can go ahead and get started on building the lifestyle of your dreams, just like I have, starting with the right foundation. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can get all the latest videos that I will be doing coming your way very soon. I trust you got value out of this video. And with all that said, my name is Mark Castillo. See you on the next video real soon. Take care and see you around.